Okay, I'm gonna start a new video for the little bug here that's in front of me. Uh, Looking kind of shiny, eh? Yeah, I actually polished it because there was a lot of scratches and things like that. And, I mean, it looks pretty darn good. I mean, the deck's a little rusty down there, and of course I've taped up the tears in the seat. You know, these, you leave them out in the sun and they just get so brittle, eh? So that's probably good enough for that. Anyway, this video here is I'm going to explain what I've been doing here. Now, one of the really cool things about these machines is that this back piece comes off. You have to take the springs off that are here, that are the suspension for the back as well. So as long as you're not disturbing too much here anyways. So I have taken the carburetor off. I put new filter and gas lines on there, and I've actually strapped that's the way the gas tank was held in place from the factory, was with a strap. I hope that holds up there. Anyways, it's just a zip tie. I would love to get a new muffler for it, but for now I don't think I'll worry about it. But anyways, yeah, there you go. So kind of like if I put some gas in the gas tank, that's my next step. I want to make sure that I have no leaks there. And once that's done, then this piece will go back on it again, and then we'll be seeing if it starts. Alright, I got that back piece back on there. That's actually part of the frame, and when you hinge up the body, things move. So you gotta bring the body down and put a block of... Anyways, I got it. So that's all back on there. I didn't have any leaks in my new fuel line or my filter. So I guess the next step would be to fire this thing up. Look at that, proudly Canadian. I still don't totally believe that it... Well, it actually does say in here. I can show you the decal here. It does say made in Canada, and it's MTD, and it has a model number and a serial number. Pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, that's the next step, would be to do that. Okay. Hi. So it's alive. I started it earlier. I just wanted to make sure that it was going to work. That thing fired right up. So here we go, folks. We'll do it again. There you go. Yeah, no problem. So yeah, the motor runs. So I obviously did something right with my wiring, didn't I? Because it shuts off too. So I didn't want to fill my little shed full of exhaust. It already kind of stinks in here. Okay.